How much do I love the D? Let me count the ways. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, a tour of the D Las Vegas, including the room, the pool, and the free pass to Stadium Swim. Kick it! Formerly Fitzgerald's Las Vegas, the D opened in 2012 and is owned and operated by brothers Derek and Greg Stevens, who also own Circa and the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. They really did a great job on the renovation. The property has a fresh look, but still retains a few touches from the Fitzgerald's era. Here's long bars spanning the entire length of the casino. It was the longest bar in Nevada until Mega Bar opened at Circa in 2020. Located next to the lobby is the Club One desk. Get your player's card here and receive $5 in free play. Located next to the elevator bank is the coffee stand. Fresh coffee, iced coffees, smoothies, and takeaway breakfast items at extremely reasonable prices. Next up is the D Shop, a convenient place to acquire all your D-essentials. The Bell Desk is located near the back exit of the property. Use this exit to get to the valet, taxi, and Uber pickup point and the D swimming pool. The second floor at the D is one of my most favorite places to hang out in Las Vegas. And here is Bar Canada, a great place to celebrate Canadian sports and culture and watch Las Vegas Golden Knights hockey games. You can place wagers on sporting events right here at the Circa Sportsbook. Next up is the high limit slot area and Sigma Derby. Sigma Derby was introduced in 1985. This is the only remaining Sigma Derby machine in Las Vegas, thanks to the tender loving care and maintenance from owner Derek Stevens. The Sigma Derby game plays and pays with quarters. The gameplay is Quinella wagering. Pick any two horses to come in first or second in the 5-horse field to win. The highest payout can reach 200 to 1. Next up is the D Keno Room, one of the last places in Las Vegas where you can play live Keno. Offering an overview of the Fremont Street experience is the View Bar and Patio, and located right next door is a chunk of the Blarney Stone from the old Fitzgerald's. For years it has been kissed by drunken gamblers. Located on the second floor is Ambiano Steakhouse, American steaks with an Italian flavor. Located on the first floor is a McDonald's, and it is open 24/7 and features kiosk ordering. You can quickly and easily satisfy any sudden Big Mac attack. Also open 24 hours is American Coney Island, featuring Detroit-style Coneys that are famous for their specialty seasoned Dearborn sausage hot dogs. They are the old school butcher shop style frankfurters that have a little snap when you bite into them. They are so crazy good late at night when you're drunk. In addition to the Viva Vision light show, there is free live entertainment every night on the outdoor stage located right next to the entrance. One great thing about staying at the D is that you have pool options. To get to the pool at the D, walk out the back entrance along the valet area. Use your key card to gain access to the pool area. It is a small pool area with a hot tub and showers. If you just want some casual, no-frills pool time, the pool at the D is adequate. Included with your stay at the D is a free pass to Stadium Swim at Circa, a $20 value. You must use the pass the day of your stay, and you are allowed an extra early entry time of 8 a.m. if you wish. To get to Stadium Swim at Circa, you must go up this insanely long escalator. If you've had a few drinks at Stadium Swim, it's probably best to take the elevator back down. Then you go through a security checkpoint that rivals the TSA. Stadium Swim features 6 different pools on 3 different levels for a perfect view of the massive 40-foot tall high-definition screen. This is what it looks like at 8:30 in the morning, and the water is very warm. For a more relaxed resort-like pool experience, come before 2 p.m. Later in the day, it's more of a club-like pool party experience. My check-in experience at the D was awesome. I received complimentary early check-in. The way the elevator works at the D is unique. You enter your floor number before you enter the elevator. If you don't enter your floor number, you'll end up at some other floor. Here is the standard double queen room at the D. It was very clean, and it still looked like a newly remodeled room with a very crisp and bright look to it. Modestly furnished with just the basic necessities, you cannot beat these rooms for the price. plenty of window space offered views of the Fremont East District from this room. There's the stop for the Deuce right next to the D on Las Vegas Boulevard. And being located directly over the Fremont Street canopy, the room was very noisy until about 2 o'clock in the morning. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.